In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about Glygen, a new model that got released a couple weeks ago. I feel like it hasn't really gotten the hype or excitement that I think it deserves. It's good at generating new images where you can specify that here I want a cat and here I want a dog, so you can draw boxes and kind of tell Glygen where you want to put things in the image. And it's built on top of Stable Diffusion, so you can use Stable Diffusion as the core to generate the images. But what I'm really actually excited about is not so much the generation aspect of it. There are other tools like Latent Couple that do something similar. What I am excited about is the Inpainting aspect of it. So let's take a look at the example that they have here. They have a really simple example here where you want to have this bear wear a shirt, a Santa Claus shirt. So let's say the shirt, it should go here. And then we want it to be holding a gift box, and the gift box is going to go here. So I'm going to draw these, and as you see, it's processed my kind of rough sketch here into these boxes. So if I change this, I can change this to something else. But so the first one here is the first box, and then the second instruction here corresponds to the second box. And the overall instruction we're giving is a teddy bear wearing a Santa Claus red shirt holding a Christmas gift box on hand. I'm going to go into advanced options, disable fixed seats, so we get something random here. And it's going to generate two images. I'm just using a model that's running on Hugging Face, so it's a little bit slower than what you would get if you ran it on your own GPUs. But here you go. So, this one completely missed the shirt, but this looks great. So if you look at the original image, you notice that the hand, for example, has been shifted. So it actually kind of looks like the teddy bear holding the Christmas gift box. So instead, we could say like an Easter gift box, and let's say instead of a Santa Claus shirt, we wanted to wear like a Hawaiian shirt. I don't know how to spell Hawaii, but let's see if that works. Oh, nice. So that sort of looks like a Easter gift box of some kind. And I don't know about the Hawaiian shirt, but it did produce something. So, it's not amazing, but I think what's important to focus on here is that it is actually getting the right positioning, and that's something that's really hard to control with Stable Diffusion typically. So it is actually Inpainting in a way where it looks like the teddy bear is holding a gift box and the shirt changes. So that's really exciting. So let's actually use this for with our own example, which we can do here as well. So I'm going to remove this, and what we're going to do is we're going to go take an image from a t-shirt printer. So let's say we want to make a bunch of different t-shirt designs and put it on this model, for instance. So if we save the image, and I'm going to take a second to make this into a square. So we'll say a man wearing a t-shirt with flowers design. And flowers design is what we'll put here. Specify that the t-shirt goes here. So let's see how that works. Hey, look at that. That's kind of a fun design. I might actually wear one of these. So let's say we want to do a Superman design. All we have to do is update both those locations. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty fun. So I think this method works great for overlaying stuff on top of like empty shirts, posters, whatever. I think it's a great way to generate designs for things like that. Let's try it on a different kind of example. So I'm going to drag drop this image of this woman standing on a pavement next to a road. And let's say we want to add a dog next to her. So specify where we want to have the dog. Let's say we want to have it here. And hit generate. All right, so we get some kind of dog, but it's not amazing, I don't think. So let's try it again. And all right, so we have another dog here, and this time it's a little bit better. But let's say we open this image. You find that the woman's face is kind of messed up. So even though this thing is doing rounded inpainting, sometimes it does go beyond the bounding box that we specify. And I haven't quite figured out a way to make sure that it only modifies things in the bounding box. Seems to do a really good job of this with the t-shirt example where we had where the man's face wasn't modified at all. But in some cases it doesn't do it. And it's potentially because of the resolution of the image or some other kind of thing, but I'm not really sure exactly why. Regardless, this is not quite a perfect technique and it can't quite do everything. So